What's up, guys? Benzilla here. Not sure if you can hear me through the wind, but I'm at the Stone Harbor Beach with somebody. Yeah, another day for Benzilla Studios. Just hanging out. It's beautiful out here. It's fall and it feels like summer. Although it has that fall chill, which, hey, we're getting closer to the fall. We all know and love the orange leaves and all that. So we're getting an episode of Members. Check all this out. Yeah, I remember when all this was filled up. Now it's like empty. I mean, small amount of people here, but you know, man, incredible. So empty. One of them's taking a dirt nap.
Aww.
They often do that. They often pick at my shoes. What's up, guys? Benzilla here. Oh, wait. I already did the intro. But yeah, hey guys. Hours later, and yeah, had a great day. Um, excited for, yeah, excited for Friday, as you're all aware. But had a good day. Chicken onto my back. It was really adorable. I love to care those birds. They're wonderful, and yep, they're truly special. Really, really having a good day. So that's it. Just having a good day. Not sure what else I might end up filming. So yeah, it's just whatever. Really. I mean, I'm just trying to get a video out for you all. Just yeah, trying to entertain you guys. Oh, amazing. Benzilla Club Members. Like I said in the previous video, 2023, the year of Nightfall. And we definitely rose up from that Nightfall, didn't we? Oh man, we definitely did, y'all. Being the CEO of Benzilla Studios is truly an honor, and it's really cool. To be able to do so much, so much cool things, and like have so many projects lined up. I'd say it's really an honor. And yeah, it's really cool. And my employee's doing an awesome job too. She's killing it. Proud of her. And we're a good team, y'all. So Studios, really going for the top. And I'm really excited for that. Let's go. I mean, honestly, it's really cool to be able to talk to you guys through a camera, like through any mobile device or a laptop, like on video, because it's really cool and I enjoy it. Being able to chat with you guys, whether I'm in character or not. Whether I'm in character or not, it's really fun. Y'all seem to love the characters, and that's why the views for, there's not much time keeps going up, which I appreciate. It's the algorithm, man. Sometimes YouTube video gets support, lots of love, lots of views, and other times, videos still get pushed out. And that's the nature of the game with YouTube. Just try to go with the flow and keep thinking of content that'll, grab people's attention. And I don't mean like constantly clickbait or anything. I mean like, create fun content that your audience will enjoy. Which for me, I have the storytelling, music dojo, vlogs, and all that. Because I know people enjoy aspects of my content, and I know other people love seeing the chickens, which I love. So yeah, just try to think of other ways for your audience to get into your content, keep wanting more. Cause trust me, it took me, of course, a long while to learn that one. I mean, as you know, I've been, around with YouTube for a long time, and yeah, heck, I've helped out my brother with his stuff as a voice actor, and yeah, I've watched Andrew Grandpa, Book of 1098 with the Joke on Edits throughout the years, and other YouTubers like DojaFan93. Yeah, lots of YouTubers I've watched over the years and seen them all come and go. So, yeah, just gotta, find good content, and I recommend watching my How to Grow on YouTube video for more information, because I really go in on how to, grow on YouTube and start your channel. So, yeah, I recommend checking that video out. It'll really be helpful. build your muscles so you can hold these gosh darn heavy cameras. I mean, seriously. No wonder I enjoyed holding the small camera that I used to use. And also, silence your phones when filming. I've had to learn. I still have to remember that. But that's why I turned it into a running gag in my videos. But yeah, Benzilla Club members. All I'm saying is, go watch my How to Grow on YouTube video. You can find it in the Motivations playlist. Alright, Benzilla Club members. With that bit of Get It Real Me, I'm gonna end it for tonight. And yeah, let's go. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. That bell. Check out my merch store on Bonfire. Go read my stories on Wattpad. I love y'all. And as always, never stop dreaming. My hand or wrist. Ow. Goodbye.